Macworld with Jonathan. He's going to show off way to data collection apps. What is your product here?
What we've created is called Form Entry. It's a Mac-based app that you can develop form data collection apps for iOS devices, being iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch.
Okay, very cool. How does it work? Can you give me a brief demo?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, what you need is the Form Entry for Mac, and you also need Form Entry Touch, which is a iOS reader in a sense. It's the only way you can get the app installed onto the iOS device. So we'll do a quick little demo. Let's just go ahead and close this. Get some of this out of the way. So basically, you go to File, File New. So this is a blank slate of an iOS device. You'll see that you have it's a single user interface. You get the iPad and the iPhone, different kind of views. So we're going to start off by clicking on Section. We can add a couple sections, and as you see down at the bottom, what the sections do is create toolbars. And we can add a couple of graphics to that. So let's go ahead and add one over here, and you'll see at the bottom we're actually updating toolbar icons at the main bottom. Right. And so we're going to add some controls. So let's add maybe some check marks into this first section. Maybe an on-off switch, and you can rename these. Maybe a photo picker, and maybe a signature. And let's say that we really want the signature on the second section. So we just simply drag it over to the section. You'll see that on the preview, you have two different sections, section 1, section 2, and you have the signature on the second. So let's look at it on the iPad side. It's a different form interface, but it's a universal app is what we're creating. Let's go ahead and save the document. We'll save this to our desktop, and we'll just say, call this one iPod. And then, so one of the things we have to think about before we sync it over to an iPad or iPod Touch is how we want the data to come back to us.
And did you just build an app just right now?
Yeah.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah. So what we like to do is say, let's have the data be sent to us via email. So when we deliver this over Wi-Fi, Bonjour, we automatically sync up to iOS devices. And we want the users to fill out the information and send it back to us as an email. So we're just going to put John at my company .com, and we'll say email report. Let's just say we're creating a report in the field. And we're going to close. We're going to save again and just simply select the sync devices. And then we'll go over to our iPad and make sure that we're running over here. So let's just go ahead and drop this down. The network here of the show has been rather challenging. So what I'm doing is going ahead and make sure we get a fresh reboot. And hopefully I can get on the same local Wi-Fi network. Just launch Form Entry Touch. It's a free download from the App Store. And over here on the Mac, you'll see that we have, I have my server product running. You'll see that we have our iPad ready to be synced over. So we're going to sync our new app that we just created, and then there it is, delivered to the iPad. And so we simply select OK, and let's see, what was the name of the app? iPod. So side by side, you can see that this is pretty much exactly what we created on the Mac.
And this is basically an app within an app. You're able to build your own apps within this app. Is that how it works?
Exactly. We also offer a private label of the iOS app. So if you wanted to have the app in the App Store, we'll actually skin it for you with your forms and with your own logos, your own text, with your own app in the App Store.
Very cool. Do you have pricing, availability? Is this ready to ship right now?
It's ready to ship. Yeah, it's available at widgetpress.com. All the pricing is online. It's terribly inexpensive. It's $19 for a Form Entry for Mac, and the reader's free. And you can purchase it now at the Mac App Store.
Very cool. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.